I like making a brine turkey, and so when I started following the low FODMAP diet, I wanted to come up with a version that would be compliant to the diet, and that's what this one is, using beer. I also like to use oven bags, which you can find in the aisle with the aluminum foil and plastic wrap. It's a really easy way to put your water and seasonings and the turkey in the bags. You can tie the bag up. It's going to save space in your refrigerator. Sometimes it's hard to find a place to soak and brine a large turkey. The one thing when you're brining a turkey, low FODMAP or not, is choosing your bird correctly. Do not use a koshered bird, which will have a high sodium content to start with. Other than that, follow our instructions and you are going to be rewarded with a juicy bird.